Hi guys, and this is a new cool tutorial, new cool video about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to disable or enable camera access on TikTok. So guys, if you have some problems with the new TikTok creation, with new TikTok shooting, as an example, you have this notification that you don't have any option to use your phone camera. So right now we will show you how to fix this trouble, fix this problem. After going to the settings app, you can find on your device, for example on the home screen or main menu. So let's go to the settings, and right now we need to give the needful permission for your application to use the camera. So as an example, you will have this setting list, and here we need to find the needful TikTok application. As you can see, I had these all settings before, but I will show you from the first step all of the needful settings. So let's choose the TikTok app here. Let's pick on it one time, and as you can see, all besides the camera inscription, we have the disabled switch, which means that this TikTok app hasn't permissions to use this camera, your phone camera. So to give this permission for your app, let's pick on the switch and make it green. Later we just need to go to the TikTok again. It will be relog, and after let's go to the profile page and tap on the plus icon to check the result. And ta-da! As you can see, we are able to smoothly use our camera without any problems. Let's shoot a new TikTok after tapping on the red central button. Hello everybody. Later let's pick on the check mark, next, and as always, as usual, you can use the drafts option or post to save the created TikTok. So guys, I hope that right now you know more about the TikTok app and you know how to manage the permission option for the TikTok. As you can see, we have our channel HardReset.Info, so we hope that this video was useful and interesting for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!